Here I am putting together a nice little slideshow for a father and daughter moment. And as you can see, it's all nice and neat, golden out. But then I came across a photo I want to use, but the aspect ratio is wrong and so is the colors. But thanks to AI technology, I was able to fix that quite easily. Stay tuned and I will show you how it was done. My preferred AI software is NoteGPT. You could use whatever you want, Midjourney, Gemini, ChatGPT, whatever makes you comfortable. So my photo is already uploaded into NoteGPT, and the first thing I need to do is change the aspect ratio. So I'm going to AI images, I'm going to scroll down here, I'll see extend image, and now it's giving me the options that I need, 16 by 9 because that's the project, and I'm going to say yes. So as you can see, it perfectly made it into a 6:9 ratio, which is perfect for the project that I'm working on. All I need to do now is color match the rest of my project. Next, we need to identify the colors in the other photos to match the new photo that we just created. And here I'm using VisualGPT. It's also from NoteGPT. It's just another part of their software. And they have something very cool called image to prompt. I've already uploaded my photos. I'm going to say generate the prompt. And what it's going to do is going to analyze everything within that photo, generate a prompt for me in case I want to use it in an AI video generator or AI photo generator. But I can also show you that it can be done in, say, something like ChatGPT or Gemini. Ask it, analyze the photo, and it came back with, say, golden yellow, warm amber, and that basically tells me, okay, that's the golden hour. So I'm going to go back into this one here and I'm going to see what it came up with. And as you can see, warm ambient golden hour lightning. So I was spot on. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to the original photo and apply these settings. So I'm back in using NoteGPT. I already have that photo uploaded. And here it basically says, describe your edit. Now there's two ways I can do it. I can literally just type it golden hour, but I can also just copy and paste what's written here. And I don't need all of it. I'm just going to use warm ambient golden hour lightning. That's fine with me. Let's go back into this one. Copy and paste, and let's generate. Now it says here it's going to take about 10 to 30 seconds. Don't believe that. It normally takes roughly about a minute. And there you have it. Now it matches the rest of my project. Again, you can also use Gemini or ChatGPT. I've added the photo, I've gave it the command. The only difference is you have to be more specific. The first time I generated it, it actually replaced my daughter. So I basically said, add the warm ambient, but change nothing else. And it came up pretty well at what I expected, that golden hour look. I've added it to my project, and now you can see that it's more visually pleasing to the eye. So that's the cool thing about using things like VisualGPT or NoteGPT. You can take old photos like these that you've got hidden away in a box, and you always thought, I can never use this again because the aspect ratio is wrong, and now you know you can. So there you go, my friends, and as always, thanks for watching.